If you pick smart work over hard work, then you're actually not smart. And 99% are wrong about this. But the twist is, hard work can actually make you look smarter. Confusing? And why is it really important if you are in 12th standard? Today we are going to clear this misconception on why it is so. Many people believe that hard work and smart work are opposites. In reality though, for success in any field, hard work is the one that is crucial and essential. And yes, it also holds true for excelling in tech and software. And some say hard work means putting effort without thinking, while smart work is all about being clever and efficient. This view can actually lead you in the wrong direction. Why? Let's take a look at Yusuf Dikeç, famous Turkish shooter at Olympics. When you watch him shoot, it seems effortless and incredibly precise. Many people might think it's just smart work, but it's actually a result of his exceptional skill. Yusuf has put in countless hours of practice to reach this level. His skill makes his work look smart, but it's really about being highly skilled. Thus, it's not really about hard work versus smart work, it's really about skilled work versus unskillful work. As you get better at something, your work naturally becomes more effective and efficient. Mastering the basics helps make your work seem smarter, like Yusuf. And in this aspect, software is not too different from shooting. To appear effortlessly skilled as a software engineer, you need to work hard. Let us take an example of coding and see how this principle applies. As a beginner, your code might be long, messy, and inefficient. This is part of the learning process. With dedication and countless hours of practice, your coding skills will improve. Your code will become cleaner, more efficient, and more effective. This doesn't mean that you are taking shortcuts. It means you have put in the hard work to master your craft and enhance your skills. Avoiding hard work and seeking shortcuts won't lead to improvement. To become proficient, you need to embrace the process of learning and practicing. And hard work is not just about mindlessly putting the time. It's about mastering the basics and gradually improving constantly. So, forget the hard work versus smart work debate. Hard work is key to getting skilled. Once you're skilled, your work naturally becomes smarter and more efficient. So focus on improving your skills through persistent effort and just watch how your hard work turns into smart work.